Unit 13.
Arch. Arch is a noun. An arch is a curved structure that serves as an opening and as a support. The door to the castle had an arch over it. Now you say the word arch. Arch. Arch is an adjective. Arch means main, playful, or mischievous. Surprisingly, the arch enemies joined forces. Now you say the word arch. Authentic. Authentic is an adjective. Authentic means being the real thing, worthy of belief or true. These are authentic diamonds. Now you say the word authentic. Authentic. Clarify. Clarify is a verb. To clarify is to say clearly or make easier to understand. The teacher tried to clarify the assignment. Now you say the word clarify. Clarify. Declare. Declare is a verb. To declare is to state strongly or to make a formal or an official statement. I was too shy to declare my feelings. Now you say the word declare. Declare. Grant. Grant is a verb. To grant is to admit that something is true or to permit or to allow. The leader decided to grant their request. Now you say the word grant. Grant. Grant is a noun. A grant is something that is given. They received a grant to study other cultures. Now you say the word grant. Grave. Grave is a noun. A grave is a hole in the ground where something is buried. The grave of President Ulysses S. Grant is in New York City. Now you say the word grave. Grave. Grave is an adjective. Grave means very important and requiring much attention, or something serious. The climbers were in grave danger. Now you say the word grave. Modest. Modest is an adjective. Modest means not thinking too highly of oneself, not boastful. Modest also means proper in speech, dress, or behavior, and not extreme or large. We were surprised at how modest the famous singer was. Now you say the word modest. Modest. Opponent. Opponent is a noun. An opponent is someone who is set against another, as in a contest, game, argument, or fight. In the sport of fencing, each opponent challenges the other with a special kind of sword. Now you say the word opponent. Opponent. Valid. Valid is an adjective. Valid means supported by facts or evidence, or something true. Your report presents many valid arguments. Now you say the word valid. Valid. Yearn. Yearn is a verb. To yearn is to long for. I yearn for our vacation. Now you say the word yearn. Yearn.